estate professionals, let's explore the modern approach to realtor marketing by incorporating one QR codes on open house signs. In this guide, we'll examine the essential elements that set this strategy apart. One QR is more than just a code. It's a dynamic brand statement. Imagine your open house signs becoming sleek reflections of your unique brand, seamlessly integrating technology into your marketing. Concerned about size limitations? Fear not. One QR effortlessly merges with your open house signs, enhancing visual appeal without compromising style. It's the perfect fusion of sophistication and functionality. Ensure good contrast for visibility. Make sure your one QR code stands out on your sign, catching the eye of potential buyers and guiding them effortlessly. A potential visitor scans a one QR code and receives precise directions to the property, a GPS guide to the exact location. One code, countless possibilities, all with the impact of the same open house sign. Create a cohesive design that incorporates the one QR code seamlessly into your open house signs. Maintain a balance between aesthetics and functionality for a visually appealing and effective marketing tool. Direct potential buyers straight to the property location without the need for arrows or confusion. It's a straightforward solution to ensure they reach exactly where they need to be. In conclusion, one QR on open house signs is your secret weapon to precise location mapping. Elevate your personal brand and simplify your open house experience for potential buyers. Ready to enhance your real estate game? Invest in one QR today. For more details and to explore the possibilities, visit oneqr.com and integrate this groundbreaking tool into your strategy. With one QR, the evolution of real estate marketing isn't a distant tomorrow. It's happening today. Best of luck with your sales endeavors.